I know I've sold Scooby-Doo before, but I noticed that if you have the Scooby-Doo action figure monsters, like this is a regular Scooby-Doo guy. This is Shaggy, right? This guy, and then I have a couple characters from them. Like these do okay, but now if you either group these with the monsters that they made monster action figures just like this. The monsters do very well for some reason. But if you group those all together, those do good. But if you just have like 3 or 4 of the Scooby-Doos, you may be looking at 10, 12 bucks the most, you know?
And it's not worth it a lot of times, from my experience, to sell like 1 or 2 of them if it's only selling for $5 or $6, because it takes time to be able to, you have to list the items, you have to take pictures, you have to ship them out, you have to deal with customer service and whatnot. So you do want to take a look at what these are selling for in lots and bundles and whatnot.
Yeah, exactly. And every TV show, movie, game has characters. Like, the more of the main characters you can get, the better price you're gonna get from it. So if you have all the main characters of Scooby-Doo plus a couple monsters, like I've gotten at least 30, 40 bucks off some of those lots. I've paired one with a mystery machine, the van that they drive, and I've gotten like 80 bucks for like the characters, the monsters, and the mystery machine.
And why are people willing to pay that much? Is it because everything's organized, everything's in one place? They don't have to go out and like buy this listing, buy this listing, buy that listing. You think it's like gifts for kids for the most part, and they just want to complete?
Exactly, yeah. I think it's easier to have them all in one shot. Like right now I'm collecting Mario figures and I see one-offs, like I'm missing a Toad, I'm missing this, and like I gotta spend $10 on this, $10 on this. But if I see a listing with like 7 of the ones I'm missing and there's 7 other ones in there that I already have, like I will go and spend that extra money because I don't have to buy all the 7 by themselves. That's a hamster little live pet.
Oh, wow.
It's a hamster cage. I paid 99 cents for that.
Now, did the hamster come with it or no?
No.
So why'd you buy this?
I'm waiting for the hamster.
What do you mean you're waiting for it? You're waiting to find one?
If I find the hamster, I'm going to complete it. It only cost me $1. I'm going to hold on to it until I find the hamster.
So one of the things that Vinny does, I noticed, and I'll just kind of spill the beans on this, is if you go to his warehouse, if you guys seen any of the videos, he has a lot of stuff that's not listed yet. And the reason is because you're putting it away, waiting to complete it.
Sometimes,
because you're always finding stuff. So if you ever find a hamster, you'll be like, oh, I've got the hamster cage. Now you complete it, and now it goes from, instead of being worth 10, 25 or something.
Exactly. That's the whole point. Unfortunately, I will not be listing these on my eBay.
Why?
I will be holding these for the time being because
the collector in him is coming out.
You're never gonna find this. Well, I don't think I'm ever going to find this
Didn't we find that together at Savers and I posted it on my Instagram?
Yes, we did.
That was like 6 months ago.
This is the original Mr. Potato Head.
Mr. Potato Head.
And all his veggie friends. You got the cucumber.
I love how excited you get.
Awesome. Oh, look at this guy. He's complete. Look at him.
What did you pay for this?
What was it?
Like $3.99?
$3.99?
Didn't we look up this lot? Isn't it worth like 70 to 100 or something?
Yeah, it's close. I mean,
maybe a little less.
It's less, but there's one factor that I want to touch on. These are like, see all the little accessories? He's got the ears, the mouth.
Yeah.
Like, I have a lot of pieces in here, and if you can see.
That's money, guys. Look for the accessories.
This is where the money comes in, and I got a lot of the mustaches and the little hairs. Like, these are the parts that get lost in translation and get lost in donation and get lost over the years.
Was this bag in the actual bag?
Yeah.
So whoever collected this, they took care of it like crazy.
And that's what you can see. Like, guys, these are 50 to 60 years old.
Gosh.
And look how brand new they look. I didn't believe that they were the actual.
Insane.
I didn't believe that they were actual ones. Look, it's like untouched. They were all kept very nice. And that is where the value is going to change when you look for stuff on eBay, because the ones that are listed are scuffed up, scratched up, missing pieces, missing parts. One's got one eye, one's got one nose, like, and the value's only 40, 50 bucks. But now you have me, I'm gonna complete these guys because I have all their parts. I have their ears, I have their mustaches, I have all their accessories. Now the value goes up tremendously.
Oh yeah.
And that's why I say this is valued at 100 bucks.
It's one of a kind.
You can look at the sold listings right now and say, oh, that's only 40 bucks.
And you wanna know what? If you even put it up at 150, I'm not saying it's worth that or you may never get it, but with certain items I've learned, if you're the only person, it's old, vintage, great condition, it's complete, you create your own market.
But yeah, and where are you gonna find this? Where are you gonna find this? So first I'd like to start off with this guy.
Well, that's not an unboxing.
Well,
oh, okay, so What is this thing?
It's Godzilla, space monster Godzilla. It's a space Godzilla.
Okay.
And I spent $2.99 on him, and this thing is about 40 to 50 bucks.
No way.
Yeah.
Really?
It's a larger one.
But it's all beat up.
It's okay. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, take some of these scuff marks out if you see some of the cleaning videos, and
wow, that's loud.
it works.
Oh, that's
the
sick.
best part about it.
If that didn't work, would you still buy it for that price?
Yeah, I
Okay.
would.
There's enough value there.
Yeah. So that's just a little cool.
Is there a certain brand?
This is Toho. It's Godzilla. And I can pull this sticker off. Where's the name here? Right here. 1995 Toho by Trendmasters.
All right.
So it's Godzilla.
I don't know if you'll be able to zoom in on that. It's probably going to be a little bit tough, but you want to inspect the toys for the brand names on them. Sometimes they're hidden though.
And the years too. And another quick tip is you want to calculate the size into what you're looking at in the sold listings. Like when I first looked this guy up, I was not gonna buy him because I saw it for only 15 bucks. And I'm like, whatever. But then I realized that the one that was for 15 bucks was only a 4-inch guy. It was about this tall. This is a 10-inch one. So the value skyrocketed on that. And I'm like,
That's
okay,
cool.
I'm definitely picking up.
That's an awesome find. So we'll put some post-production editing on the screen for all these things, so you guys can go out and find them and do some more research.
And here's another Godzilla. Godzillas are good. That's why I wanted to talk about
Does it matter
them.
what brand it is?
Toho Trendmasters is the two names you want to look for. They're the best. They're releasing some new ones that are pretty valuable.
Well, that's strong.
It's another Godzilla. I can't find him right now, this exact model on eBay. It looks like a interesting squirt toy or something.
What'd you pay for this? You paid
$2.99.
and you usually have 30% off.
Yeah, so it was $2, and it's probably going to be about 20 to 30 bucks because that's where the value around these guys are.
Wow, I didn't realize Godzilla
Godzilla
really...
is very popular. Yes,
That's cool.
They're a very popular toy.